Tonight is a taste of the All-American cheeseburger. We're going to show you how to make the Shake Shack burger using fresh ground chuck, Martin's potato buns, and a tangy homemade Shake Shack sauce. The buns are brushed with melted butter and toasted, and the burgers are smashed on a hot cast iron skillet and then layered with American cheese. You'll need a lot of napkins for this juicy taste of Americana. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens from around the world. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining, restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking. Tonight we're making a double cheese shake burger. 2 quarter-pound patties of ground chuck, seasoned with salt and pepper, and smashed on a sizzling hot cast iron skillet. Topped with 2 slices of American cheese, cold crisp lettuce, fresh sliced red onions, and a homemade shake sauce made from mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, ketchup, pickle juice, and cayenne pepper. Served on a Martin's potato roll, brushed on the inside with melted butter and toasted. For the burgers, we'll need 2 quarter-pound ground chuck patties, 2 slices of American cheese, salt and pepper, and a cast iron skillet. For the bun, we'll use a Martin's potato roll, melted unsalted butter, and the cast iron skillet. To make the sauce, we'll need 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of Heinz ketchup, 1 teaspoon of dill pickle juice, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. For the toppings, we'll use iceberg lettuce, sliced red onion, and sliced tomatoes. We'll start by making the burgers. Place 2 quarter-pound portions of the ground chuck onto the plate. Season them with salt and pepper. Turn your skillet on to medium-high. Place the patties onto the hot skillet and smash them using a spatula. Be sure that you only smash them once. Some people have a tendency to continuously flatten the burgers whether they're on the grill or on the pan. This does not help the burger cook any faster. Rather, it squeezes out the juices. So smash it only once. Cook the burger for 2.5 minutes, then flip the burger over and add a thick slice of American cheese. For the sauce, combine the mayonnaise, the Dijon mustard, the ketchup, the pickle juice, and the cayenne pepper, and stir everything together until all of the ingredients are mixed thoroughly. To get the buns ready, brush some melted butter onto the inside of the bun and place it onto the hot pan or skillet. The bun should turn golden brown with a slight crisp after about a minute or 2. While the buns are in the pan, go ahead and slice up the red onion and tomato and set them aside with your lettuce. It's time to start building the burger. Place the bun onto the plate and add a tablespoon of the sauce onto each side of the bun. Then add the 2 cheeseburger patties and the toppings, and you're done. And there it is, an all-American double cheese Shake Shack burger, served on a buttered and toasted Martin's potato roll, topped with a homemade shake sauce and fresh, cold, crisp toppings. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.